We're in sunny San Jose, California today. We're here to talk to my friends at SP3. They gave me the keys. Let's go inside and learn about everything you can get a diamond coating on.
Hey, welcome. How are you, Arthur?
Oh, good. Thanks, Dan. So we're here at SP3.
That's right.
But how long has this company even been around, man?
Well, we started out in 1993.
Okay.
And
so a couple years. That's
it's
quite
been
a
a few
bit of time.
years. Yeah, so we're heading towards 30 years.
Okay.
It's in Santa Clara, California, so beautiful, right? The weather's nice.
It's absolutely fantastic.
It's here because the original founders were part of Silicon Valley, so we are based in Silicon Valley. And that's kind of where it comes from. Yeah, and since 1993, we've been developing CVD process for diamond, and not just that, but also different practical applications.
What's over here, though?
Yeah.
What are these things?
This is our reactor build area.
Okay.
So really interesting. You'll have a different video with Brett, our general manager, and he's the one who helped design and build the reactors.
So I'm going to get to learn more about them, though.
You're going to learn more about them, but these are in different stages of build right now. So as he goes, and you'll see there are different kinds, and we'll talk a little bit about that.
Yeah. I'm just happy that I get to learn about it. I get to share it with everyone out there, so they get to learn about what's possible.
When I first came out here, I was completely amazed by what is done here, and the people who are here, and the amount of knowledge and passion they have for CVD diamond.
Yeah, well, talking about the people here, what kind of people would work for, like, what is this? Let's pull it back a little bit. What do you do at SP3? I know we talked diamond and stuff like that, but what do you do here?
So SP3, the name refers to the bonding of diamond. So that's kind of where the name comes from, SP3.
Okay.
And what we do is chemical vapor deposition diamond coating.
Okay.
For various applications. So, people know it for machining, at least in our world most of the time, right?
Yeah. Well, and the people out there, you might have heard of them call it CVD. Sometimes
CVD,
they just use the short form.
Yeah, that's what, it's usually CVD, but if you don't know, that's chemical vapor deposition.
I did not know that for a very long time.
Okay, good, yeah. So, and people know it obviously for metal cutting with carbon fibers and things like that. But it's also used in electrodes for wastewater treatment.
Really?
Yeah, wastewater treatment. Also for also in CMP pad conditioners for semiconductor industry.
Oh wow!
And mechanical seals for pump applications. I mean, there's so many applications for it, and that's why we say we've been developing not just the diamond, but also practical applications for it. So
what are they doing there at the desk right now?
So this group here, they're prepping the tools to go through the initial process, because there's an upfront process that we don't talk a lot about to prepare the tools to accept the coating so that it sticks to, it adheres to the tungsten carbide.
Okay, so they prepare them here at this desk?
Yep, they prepare them here. It goes through here. This is our wet bench area.
Okay.
And the wet bench area is where the real prep comes in for the tool to be ready to be coated.
Yeah.
And then we check it. After it goes through here, it comes over to the XRF to make sure that we've got the right amount of surface roughness, that the right amount of cobalt, everything else so that it's going to have good adhesion.
So you've got all the levels, to the cleaning, to the full edge preparation, to making sure the edges are properly prepared.
If you don't go step by step, it doesn't work.
Oh no, you can't skip a step.
No.
Even in machining, right? You skip a step in your setup, that's it.
It's
kind of gone.
Yep,
and then they go into...
And then they'll go into, these are older model finished reactors.
Yeah.
So you saw the initial build, and we build our own.
Yeah.
And then we also sell the reactors too. So
wow.
we build for our own production, and you see these are all running.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, we also build for commercially sells the reactors.
Yeah, and not just for cutting tools, you were saying there's other applications for the coatings that you do.
Right, and a lot of it is, a lot of that is not for cutting tools. Most of our reactors that we sell are actually for the semiconductor industry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so...
Well, I guess it makes sense that you're in the Silicon Valley here then.
That's kind of why it was based here in the first place. So And it's a significant business. It's growing in the U.S. and we're excited to be a part of that. They don't make the chips themselves, but they're used to coat CMP pad conditioners and other products inside of it. And then we've recently started working on internal components in that process as well, where the life of a focus ring, it gets etched away inside of the process. We coat it, and the life of that initial testing is through the roof. So we're really excited about that portion.
I'm so excited for the people out there to get to learn more, Dan, because I mean, we kind of touched on it really briefly, but it sounds like there's a lot of applications in the world of manufacturing for diamonds through many different industries that maybe we haven't thought of before.
That's the key, and that's from my point of view. I think that's where we can differentiate ourselves from the rest of our competitors. Is we work very closely with our customers' R&D facilities and our own R&D. And we're part of the MAPAL Group now since 2019, and that helps us process R&D packages through. They give you get some expertise from a little bit bigger company, right?
Yeah.
And that's helped a lot. So now that we've done we can process the R&D better. We work really close with our customers, make sure that we do what they need instead of what we want to do, and that's where we say practical applications. I don't think we're done with diamond coating and what it can be used for.
No.
And that to me is probably the most exciting part.
You're excited, I'm excited, the people out there watching are going to be excited, and we're going to have to dig in more with a lot of the other experts you got here.
Yeah, absolutely. You're gonna meet some fine people when you do this day.
Awesome. Thanks, Dan.
Appreciate it. Thank you.